What's going on, guys? It's Travis. Welcome back to another hero's journey. In this quick hero's journey, doing a quick vlog checkout of Mount Soledad Memorial Park. Here's the overview of the Jolla area. You can see Scripps Pier down there too. It's pretty cool. So we'll go walk up the park right now and check it out. It's a memorial center for veterans, and it has this super sick overview. You can see all the way down to pretty much all the way to North County and beyond. So let's go check this out really quick. So as you can see, the main lookout memorial center is right up there at the top of the hill, and you can see beyond that area is all this greatness that kind of goes inland that way, and then the Pacific is over there. It's pretty unbelievable, very impressive, this overlook. This stuff out of movies. And thank you very much to all the brave people that have served. It is much appreciated. You can see the walls are all lined with the men and women who made this sacrifice and did this, you know, for us, so we can come up here and look at these sick views. So thank you again to all these people. It's pretty unbelievable. It's a 360 view. San Diego. You can see down there Pacific Beach, Mission Beach, Ocean Beach, and even all the way towards pretty much Sunset Cliffs. So it's pretty amazing. You can see from Sunset Cliffs all the way to past Black's Beach, pretty much almost to Encinitas. So it's pretty wild overlook here. And yeah, this way you can even see, like, there's the 5 freeway right there, nice and busy, and there's downtown San Diego. So it is a pretty unbelievable scenic view of essentially a lot of San Diego from right up here at Mount Soledad. Walking down towards where the view goes, the oceanfront, steep slope, the Hoka Auras are crushing this job. Quite a sight to behold. And I might have to stop here unless I want to throw in the cajas. All right, guys, we're gonna call it there. Hopefully the wind's not too bad. I'm trying to hide in this little crevicey cave thingy. But thanks for tuning in to another hero's journey. This was a quick travel vlog, I reckon, of the Mount Soledad Memorial Park, honoring all the veterans, and it's just the sickest overview ever of like all of San Diego. So definitely come check it out. And till next time, peace.